Rosehip and Frankincense Revitalising Skin Repair Oil. Now, if you're looking for a skin hero that can heal and strengthen and boost the complexion, you found it in our Rosehip and Frankincense Revitalising Skin Repair Oil. It's got a natural source of vitamin A and retinoids. Rosehip oil is perfect for the skin types that have got sun damage or scarring. This hardworking face oil helps restore the skin's foundation after sun damage, moisture loss, and hyperpigmentation. It can help boost the collagen production as well as brighten, lift, and tighten the skin to naturally slow down the signs of aging. Now, the best time to use this is after cleansing. Put a few drops into the palm of your hand. Use some water to help get that oil deeper into the skin's layers. It will help to absorb it without leaving that greasy residue on the skin. You also use a lot less of the product.